Hi, this is Andrea from Tech Support in Corvina, and in this video I'm going to show you how Corvina is behaving when you are accessing it from a mobile device. Corvina is web responsive, and I'll show you how. This is the Corvina that you are used to, so that is the desktop version. As you can see, everything is populated. You can do an access VPN, there's going to be our device list, endpoints, and so forth. Here is the organizations, for examples, and dashboard. Now let's switch to the mobile version and let's see how it behaves. And this is how it behaves from the mobile device. As you can see, everything has been rearranged. We will have our flows, dashboard, widget as before. This is going to be our profile. And this is the list of the fields that we can actually access from mobile. We still have access to the user manual and the VPN. This, and in case, you can also access the device via the VPN connection that you defined in the application profile. As you can see, you can also access the resources consumption here, like in the desktop version, as well as looking for the organization in case you might need to change one. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.